What if I told you that right now someone in Nairobi is making over 1,000 shillings a month without spending a single coin to start? No capital, no investors, no loans from family. Look, I get it. You're probably tired of hearing make money online promises that go nowhere. But here's the truth. Kenya actually leads Africa right now with over 400 YouTube channels earning serious money, and that number jumped 60% in just 1 year. I'm talking about real verified opportunities that Kenyans are using today to build income streams from literally nothing. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 proven methods to make money without capital this year. These aren't theories. These are strategies people are actually using right now. So if you're broke but not broken, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do next. But wait a minute, let me share something real with you. Last year, I met a guy named David at a Super Metro Matatu stage. He was doing what thousands of Kenyans do, freelance writing on his phone during his commute. Started with 0 shillings, just his smartphone and free Wi-Fi at Java. 3 months later, he was pulling 40,000 shillings monthly. 6 months, over 80k. Now, I'm not saying this happens overnight, it doesn't. David spent his evenings learning, his mornings pitching, and his afternoons writing, but here's what matters. He didn't need capital, just commitment. And that's what we're unpacking today. So today, you're getting the exact 5 methods that require 0 capital, but can generate real income. Methods that are actually working for Kenyans right now, backed by real data, not hype. Let's get into it. Method number 1, freelancing on global platforms. First up, freelancing. And I'm not talking about some vague, just freelance advice. Here's what the numbers tell us. The average freelancer in Nairobi earns around $34,000 per year. That's roughly 280,000 shillings monthly if you break it down. And remote freelancers working with international clients, they're making between $400 to $200 monthly. That's 50k to 150k shillings. The hottest skills right now, virtual assistants, social media management, and customer service roles. But here's the beautiful part. You don't even need to be an expert. Here's how you start. 1. Pick one skill. Don't try to do everything. Choose writing, virtual assistants, or social media management, something you can deliver on. 2. Use free Wi-Fi, Safaricom Bonga points, university Wi-Fi, or that neighbor who never changed their password. I'm not judging, just get online. 3. Join the right platforms. Upwork, Fiverr, and for Kenyans specifically, platforms like onlinejobs.ph work great because they don't charge platform fees. 4. Create your profile like your life depends on it. Use a clear photo, write a simple bio, and showcase any relevant experience, even if it's helping your church with social media or writing your cousin's CV. 5. Start small. Bid on small jobs, a $5 task, a $10 project. Build your reputation, get those first reviews, then scale up. The catch? It takes patience. You might send 50 pitches before landing your first gig. But here's the thing, you're investing time, not money, and time is the one resource you already have. Method number 2, content creation on YouTube. Second method, YouTube. And before you say everyone's doing YouTube, listen to this. Kenya leads the entire African continent with content creators. Over 400 channels have more than 1,000 subscribers. And here's the kicker. Creators earning over 1 million shillings monthly. That number increased by 60% in the past year alone. Now let's talk real numbers. According to data from Kenyan YouTubers, you can earn about 100 to 130 shillings for every 1,000 views. So if your video gets 100,000 views, that's roughly 10,000 to 13,000 shillings. A million views? That's 100k to 150k. YouTube also made it easier to start making money. You now only need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours to join the YouTube Partner Program, much lower than before. But here's what most people miss. You don't need expensive equipment. Your smartphone camera works. You don't even need to show your face. Faceless channels are huge right now. Animations, voiceovers, screen recordings, all work. Here's your game plan. 1. Pick a niche you know something about. Tech reviews, life in Kenya, cooking, finance tips, whatever. Just pick something. 2. Create valuable content, educational, entertaining, or both. People watch YouTube to learn or to be entertained. Give them that. 3. Be consistent. 1 video a week is better than 5 videos once, then nothing for 3 months. 4. Use free editing tools. CapCut, iMovie if you have an iPhone. Even YouTube's built-in editor works. 5. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. Think about what people are actually searching for. Important warning. YouTube changed its rules in July 2025. They no longer monetize low-effort AI content or reused footage with no value added. So you need to actually create original content with your own voice or perspective. But that's actually good news. It weeds out the lazy people, giving you a better chance. The timeline? Realistically, expect 6 to 12 months before you're making consistent income. But once it starts, it's like a tap you can't turn off. Method number 3, affiliate marketing. Third method, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn commissions without ever handling inventory or customer service. Think about it. Every time you recommend a product to a friend and they buy it, that company makes money. Affiliate marketing is the same thing, except you get paid for it. Here's a beginner-friendly example, purely hypothetical, to illustrate how this works. Let's say you join an affiliate program for a Kenyan e-commerce site like Jumia. They give you a special link. You create content, maybe a blog post, YouTube video, or TikTok, reviewing a product or comparing options. Someone clicks your link and buys a phone case for 2,000 shillings. You earn a 5 to 10% commission. That's 100 to 200 shillings. Now that's small, right? But what if 50 people buy? That's 5,000 to 10,000 shillings. And you do this consistently across multiple products and platforms. It adds up. How to start? 1. Join affiliate programs. Local or international programs like Amazon Associates, though payments can be tricky, work. Even digital products on platforms like ClickBank or Share a Sale. 2. Create content around products, reviews, comparisons, tutorials. Best budget phones in Kenya 2025 or top 5 laptops under 50k. 3. Be honest. People can tell when you're just trying to make a sale. Only promote things you'd actually recommend. 4. Use free traffic sources, Facebook groups, TikTok, Instagram, even WhatsApp status. You don't need a website to start. The best part? This can become passive income. You create the content once and it keeps earning as long as people keep clicking and buying. Method 4. Online tutoring and skill sharing. Fourth method, teaching what you already know. You don't need a degree to teach online. You just need to know something that someone else wants to learn. Are you good at math, English, Swahili? Can you play guitar? Do you know how to edit videos on your phone? Someone out there wants to learn that. Here's how. 1. Identify your skill. What do people ask you for help with? That's your starting point. 2. Choose your platform. For academic tutoring, sites like Preply or Cambly for English teaching. For other skills, you can use Zoom and market through social media. 3. Start with one student. Charge something affordable, 500 to 1,000 shillings per hour to start. As you get better and build reputation, increase your rates. 4. Use free tools. Zoom free for 40-minute sessions. Google Meet, even WhatsApp video calls work for one-on-one sessions. The income potential? If you charge 1,000 shillings per hour and teach 3 hours daily, that's 9,000 shillings monthly. And as you grow, you can pre-record courses and sell them, creating passive income. Method number 5, property product brokerage. Fifth method, becoming a broker or middleman. This is old school hustling meets digital age. You don't need to own the product or property. You just connect buyers with sellers and take a commission. How it works? 1. Find what people need. Rental houses, cars, land, electronics. Pick one category. 2. Build a network. Join Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. Follow classified ads on Gigi and PGME. 3. Connect buyers and sellers. Someone posts looking for a bedsitter in Kasarani max 8k. You know someone with one. You connect them, arrange viewing and negotiate your commission. Maybe 1,000 to 5,000 shillings depending on the deal. 4. Scale through social media, create a Facebook page or Instagram account, post listings, build credibility, zero capital needed, just your phone, your network, and your hustle. Some Kenyans are making 3,000 to 1,000 shillings monthly just being the connector. So there you have it, 5 real ways to make money in Kenya without a single shilling of capital this year. 1. Freelancing. 2. YouTube content creation. 3. Affiliate marketing. 4. Online tutoring. 5. Brokerage. Here's your takeaway. The only real capital you need is commitment. Time, consistency, and willingness to learn will beat money every single time when you're starting from zero. Pick one method from this list. Just one. Master it for the next 90 days. Don't jump around. Don't chase every shiny opportunity. Focus. If this video helped you, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment telling me which method you're going to try first. And hey, if you're serious about this journey and want more in-depth guides, check the description below. I've got resources that'll help you get started faster. Remember, you're not broke, you're just between opportunities. Let's change that together. See you in the next one. Peace.